In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to use Paybis wallet to buy cryptos. Now, using a Paybis wallet to buy crypto, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to create an account. So if you don't have an account, you could download the application, or you could just go ahead and open up a browser, type in Paybis, and it's going to take you to the official page, which is paybis.com/fxt fxtrading.top. That is going to take you to the official page, and while you're on this page, you could go ahead and log in into your or create an account. As soon as you're done creating your account, then you have to verify your identity. Then what you have to do is you need to fund your Paybis wallet. So go to the wallet section on the Paybis platform, select deposit option, choose your preferred payment method, that is credit card, debit card, bank transfer, whatever, into the amount you want to deposit, and follow the on-screen prompt to complete the transaction. Next, you need to buy the crypto. So for that, go to the buy crypto tab and choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, example Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever. Enter the exact amount you wish to spend to the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then the system will show you the equivalent amount in a chosen fiat currency. Select the payment method, confirm the purchases, and you'll be receiving your cryptos. So that is how you could go ahead and use Paybis wallet to buy crypto. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.